Hey guys, so today what we're gonna review today is this Edeuoey, Edeuoey. I don't know, I can't pronounce it, but it's a table. It's a table, and if this odd name looks familiar, you'll remember from my previous demos, I had these chairs that's by the same company. But you know, we're gonna demo the table, and the nice thing about these chairs and the tables is that, so before that thing started beeping, the nice thing about these chairs and tables is that they are really light. You know, they're not super sturdy or anything like that, but they are so light you can pack them easily, and you could store them easily because they're not just light, they're small. But we're going to give it a shot, and we're going to compare it to the traditional chair and a more heavier table. All right, so I got one of those traditional steel chairs. You know, you've seen these, they're everywhere. This is the size of that Edeuoey, whatever, chair, and this is the other chair, so it's definitely much lighter, but let's see how they compare. All right, so that's how the chair looks. So let's compare it with the traditional. All right, so you know, this is definitely a more sturdy chair, no doubt about it. But it does have its disadvantages in that it's heavy and it's a little bit bulkier. This guy, you know, is sturdy enough, definitely, for me. I'm about $1.75, you know, give or take a little bit, but you know, it holds me fine. But the nice thing is that it does hug your body, and it is very portable. All right, so let's try out that table to go with it. It's still in the packaging. It's got this film on it, but I'm not going to take it off yet. All right, so here's the tabletop. Looks like that. Looks like it's aluminum. Alright, goes in like that. Has these two bars that flip over. And the inside there's this rail that you want to clip to this notch. Click it in so it doesn't slide out. So it's not a bad little table. Let's compare it with my old one. All right, that's my old table. Let's compare it. All right, so nothing wrong with the old table either. You know, the old table is, I'm going to say it's a little bit sturdier, but again, it's definitely bigger and bulkier. This is so much lighter, and this is heavier, and you know, takes up a lot more space. So, you know, for what it is, it's actually quite nice. It's very portable. It's light. So let's see how well it does the important things. All right, so this is how it fits a grill pretty well. Some space for you to eat or whatnot, and the same company that does this thing sent me this box, this gift box thing. So I thought I'd use it as, oh, what do I have here? Looks like it's Miller time. Yep, the table holds my beer. That's the most important thing. All right, I assume the fold up is just as easy as the setup. Unsnap it from the grooves. You have this bungee to hold it all in. That wasn't too bad. There's 2 slots inside the bag. One for the tabletop and one for the legs. All right, nice and easy. Chair breakdown. Velcro that up. All right, nice and easy. I'll show you the way it looks inside my car. All right, the items fit pretty nicely in my car like that. If you're interested in the table or the chairs, I'll leave a link in the description for you.